Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you all are keeping safe. In my last video, I promised to show you how I made this beautiful earring. In case you didn't get a chance to watch the video, I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can check it out. Let's get right into it. First, you're gonna need your scissors, then your fabric. In this case, I'm using denim, your glue gun, and have some extra glue. And of course, your earring. First thing first, you're gonna cut out your material. I'm using one of my old cutout jeans. You gotta improvise here. So cut it out. Yeah, I'm taking out the extra piece that I don't need. And get your hoop earring. I don't have any measurements here, but you just have to put in your hoop earring to find the right measurement. Once you get the right measurement, cut out the excess piece. I'm gonna turn it inside out and find the middle part. I'm using glue, but you're free to use a needle or a sewing machine to attach them together. I'll do the same thing for the second earring. Cut out the extra piece that you don't need. Turn it inside out. Once it's perfectly fit, you can then add your glue. You don't want to add too much glue. So once you put your glue, press it down firm to secure the trims. Repeat the same for the other pair. Turn it inside out. And try to put in the earring to make sure it goes in easily. And in my case, I'm going to trim out the rough edges. Trimming out the rough edges on the second pair. Now that we are done with the first step, we have to do the center pins. I'm still using my old denim jeans. So here I'm trying to cut it out. And I believe I used 2 inches. That's about 2 inches. And I'm just gonna overlay it to the second part so I can get a uniform cut. Then what you want to do now is fold the rough edges in. Tuck it in and then use a glue to secure it. Press it firm and here I'm pinching in the bow to make the shape of a bow, and then I'm gonna secure it with a glue. Press it firm, then take your middle piece and fold it around. If you need more glue, you are free to add more glue. So I'm putting in the middle piece, fold it in. Then what you want to do now is to add the glue. Like I mentioned earlier, you can use a needle to secure it. Once you add your glue, lay it around and then press it firm. Make sure it's firm so it doesn't come out. You don't want your herring falling off. And adjust it. Make sure it looks good. One piece done, then I'll repeat the same step to the other one. But before you add the other one, make sure you align the bow right side facing the right, and then the left part facing the outer left. So your bow are all looking good on both here. Pinching it again like we did in the first pair. Then add your little piece. Add the glue to secure the little piece and turn it around, fold it all around the hoop. You wanna take the glue gun again and add a little dab to secure the little piece in the center of the bowl. Once you do that, you'll press it down. And if you notice you need more glue, you're free to add more. so it's all well and secured. Yep, that's it. You just made yourself a beautiful hoop earring. Make sure you trim out all the excess strings and adjust as needed.